So what is all this buzz about movable walls? Yes, they look fabulous. Yes, they're versatile and reconfigurable. Yes, there are endless finishes you can choose from, materials, features. But how much do they cost? And should you buy them? In this video, we are going to outline for you the factors that affect cost of movable walls. We're also going to give you a price range so you know how to budget for them. And thirdly, stick to the very end where we'll give you our recommendations on where movable walls are best suited and where you shouldn't bother investing in them. So there are four main factors that will impact the cost of your movable walls. First, your material selection. The possibilities are endless, so obviously this impacts cost. You could have solid walls versus glass, laminate versus a solid wood veneer. You can even do writable whiteboards. Number two is your hardware choice, and this is basically what style or type of pull you want to have on your door. Thirdly is your ceiling height. Obviously this affects cost because the higher the ceilings, the more product, and the room for more creativity in different styles and designs to get introduced. And fourth is the complexity of your overall job site. And this includes everything you need to consider with regards to delivering the product, how do you get it in the building, installation, labor, and that's about it. So when looking to budget for this product, we suggest using approximately $500 to $600 per linear foot. So let's apply this rule to making a private office that's about 9 foot by 9 foot using movable walls. 2 to 3 of those walls would be the movable wall product, which would equate to approximately 18 to 27 linear feet of product. So that's your walls, your doors, everything. When you apply the $500 to $600 to that linear total, you're coming up with a cost of approximately $9,000 to $16,000 worth of product. Movable walls are ideal for any place, client, application where you want to have the ability to reconfigure them in the future. Period. That's what the product is amazing for, and that's your return on investment. If you actually do the math of the additional cost of movable walls versus drywall, you will make up that difference within your first reconfiguration. So then if you think about it, any future subsequent reconfigurations will add on insignificant return on investment. Also, if you're considering nice aesthetics like floor-to-ceiling glass fronts or sliding doors, movable walls can offer these features at a comparable price to traditional construction. And finally, when not to use movable walls, essentially when you're just shopping around for the lowest upfront cost option. So, to recap, I hope you've learned today how much movable walls cost and have some takeaways on how you could calculate what to budget for an upcoming project, and if your project suits this product. I hope you got a clear sense of the four main factors that impact cost. Again, that's your selection of materials, your hardware choices, considering your ceiling height, as well as all the complexity of your job site and everything that goes into bringing the product on site, installing, labor, all that jazz. And thirdly, our recommendations to who is best suited to use this product and the amazing return on investment. So if you'd like to learn more about this topic and how to really optimize adaptable workspaces, how to integrate movable walls to maximize the value of your floor plan, click on the link below to our white paper. So did this inspire you to research movable walls here at Office Interiors a bit more? I'm sure it did. Come into the showroom, ask me about it, or click on the link below, like, subscribe, etc.